and resolute and will not compromise on its territorial integrity. Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla called it an unprecedented situation on the LAC and said that China has taken unilateral action to change facts on ground. He added that it can't be a business as usual and normal bilateral relations will be affected. Foreign Secretary was delivering lecture on broad canvas of Indian diplomacy during the pandemic.
It is an unprecedented situation. We have also seen that there has been an attempt to take unilateral action that seems to be an effort to change facts on the ground. I've also said that we'll be firm and resolute in resisting this. As far as we are concerned, there will be no compromise on our sovereignty and territorial integrity. At the same time, we are, as a responsible nation, always willing to talk, always willing to engage. Even in the, I would say, in the depth of the COVID crisis, we have kept our communication lines open. Our senior commanders have been talking on the ground. Diplomats have been talking to each other, both in Beijing and New Delhi.
The Chief of the Army Staff, General M.M. Narawane, concluded a two-day visit to Leh on Friday. General M.M. Narawane arrived at Leh on 3rd September 2020 and proceeded to forward areas to undertake a first-hand assessment of the situation along the LAC. General M.M. Narawane interacted with soldiers and local commanders deployed in difficult, high-altitude forward areas. He appreciated their high morale and standards of professionalism exhibited by the units in safeguarding own territorial integrity. He also urged all ranks to remain vigilant and maintain a high order of operational readiness. Later, local army commanders briefed him on the state of operational preparedness and on the logistics arrangements for sustenance of forces in winters. General M.M. Narawane expressed satisfaction on the efforts being made to ensure operational effectiveness and capability enhancement of the forces.
ले पहुंचने के बाद मैं अलग-अलग जगह पर गया था और हर जगह पर मैंने ऑफिसर्स और जेसीओ से बात की और स्थिति का जायजा लिया। जवानों का मनोबल बहुत ऊंचा है और वो हर चुनौती का सामना करने के लिए तैयार है और मैं यकीनन कह सकता हूं कि हमारे जवान सबसे अच्छे जवान हैं और वो ना सिर्फ इंडियन आर्मी का लेकिन देश का भी नाम रोशन करेंगे।
He also said that the situation on LAC has been critical for the last 2-3 months, adding that negotiations are on at the military and diplomatic level with China to find a common solution. The army chief also said that forces will ensure that the status quo remains intact.
पिछले 3 महीने से स्थिति नाजुक थे। जो यथास्थिति है उसको हम बरकरार रखेंगे और इसको बरकरार रखने के लिए अलग-अलग जरिए से बातचीत चल रही है, मिलिट्री लेवल पर भी, डिप्लोमेटिक लेवल पर भी और हमें पूरा यकीन है कि जो अभी समस्या खड़ी हुई है उसको बातचीत के जरिए पूरी तरीके से हल किया जा सकता है।
Chinese army carried out provocative military activities on the intervening night of August 29 and 30th on the southern bank of Pangong Lake in a unilateral attempt to change the status quo of the LAC. But Indian troops foiled their efforts. Since then, several rounds of talks have taken place between the commanders of the two countries. Although India has clearly stated that the conditions on the border in the last 4 months are a result of the activities of the Chinese side. The ministry has also said that the situation should be handled in a responsible manner. Expressing India's commitment to peace and stability, India has said that the situation should be resolved as per the predetermined protocol. With inputs from Sudhir Yadav, Newsnet Desk, DD India.